Alright, we're going to take this chicken out. It's browned on both sides according to the instructions on the recipe. They just want you to brown it. So I'm going to set these off to the side over here. I've got a few smaller pieces that I'm going to leave in here. Help season the onions and mushrooms. I added mushrooms. Mushrooms is not in the recipe, but I did add it because I like to be a little different. So we're going to leave those small pieces in there, and we're going to go ahead and add our onions and peppers. I'm going to be pretty generous with this just because I like a lot of flavor. Alright. Alright, we'll stir this up and let this kind of marinate in here. It says to saute for 3 minutes. We'll probably go a little longer than that. So at this point we're going to add one ingredient that might throw you for a loop. So it called for a 1.5 cups of water with a jasmine green tea bag. So basically it's tea. I've already prepared it, and it says to add it straight in. There we go. And we'll bring this back to a boil. Once we get to a boil, we're going to add the rice. Already got it prepared right there. And our layers of chicken. We're going to bring that to a boil for a hard boil. And we're going to turn it down to a simmer for about 25 minutes. And hopefully, we'll have success. Stay tuned.